Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the model or mesh faces you want to separate. Make sure you're in the appropriate mode. Once done, use L for link selection or manually marquee select faces, because accurate selection prevents extra geometry. Now press P to open the Detach menu. Choose Separate by Selection, Loose Parts, or by Material depending on intent. You do this early to isolate parts without destroying topology, and selecting precisely speeds the rest of the cleanup workflow. Once separated, switch to Object mode to inspect the newly created objects, because Blender creates distinct objects from the detached geometry. Make sure to rename items in the outliner and group, or parent them to maintain scene order. This helps later edits. If transforms are inconsistent, apply location/rotation/scale with control plus so physics and modifiers behave predictably. Also check normals and recalculate with Shift plus N when faces look dark. Since you finish by cleaning topology and confirming materials carried over correctly. Go into edit mode for each object and merge vertices or remove doubles when seams appear, because detaching often introduces tiny gaps. If you find loose geometry, use mesh cleanup tools to delete it and verify modifier stacks. Apply or reorder modifiers as needed to restore expected behavior. If something breaks, revert to your saved version or use incremental saves. That prevents lost time and preserves a known good state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.